Hi, I'm Dione with the Dione & Co. Real Estate Group.
And I'm Debbie with Dione & Co.
And today we're at 279 Coopers Hill in Airy, Alberta.
It's a fully developed walkout bungalow that backs onto a green space.
It's a good one. Let's go take a look.
This kitchen is the heart of the home. Full-height cabinets, newer appliances, lots of storage, and great for entertaining.
The main floor feels warm and inviting. Hardwood floors, gas fireplace, central AC, and lots of natural light. Out back, you've got a full-width deck, west exposure, and solar panels in this designated energy-efficient home. That's a great setup.
The large primary suite has a relaxing steam shower and a walk-in closet. And downstairs, it just keeps on going.
This basement is really well done.
In-floor heat, another fireplace, a built-in bar with wine fridge and sink, extra bedrooms, and a full bath.
And the tandem triple garage is a big bonus.
Epoxy floors, in-floor heat, 220 power. This garage is showing off a little. In the backyard, there's an outdoor gas fireplace, privacy wall, underground sprinklers with gardens and a fountain.
And a huge part of the appeal is being in Cooper's Crossing.
I agree. Centrally located, wider streets, lots of green space.
Yeah, and there's lots of parks for the kids. You can enjoy it with your family.
Yeah, and did you know that Coopers has been voted Airdrie's #1 community for 13 years in a row?
13 years? I didn't know it was that many, but I'm not surprised. It is Airdrie's premier luxury community.
I agree.
And so if you're looking for a bungalow like this, call us today and you can start packing.
I knew that line was coming.